Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making Mexican rice. I used to work at a Mexican restaurant and I was in love with the rice. I could eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I really wanted to know the recipe. So I asked my boss, what do you make the rice with? And he gave me a list of things and I tried it out. I did my own measurements. I researched other things to add to it because he wouldn't tell me everything. And it tastes amazing. So, hope you guys like it. So that must have been a little behind yellow onion because last time less than half an onion made a cup. So I guess Corona just producing a whole bunch of trash produce. That's why I hate recipes that say a full onion, a full garlic clove. Well, garlic cloves are usually consistent. Onions, no. Tomatoes, no. Especially if you get a different type. Some idiot will get a Roma tomato and they'll say a full tomato. They are smaller. I'm gonna mix this garlic up. Fun fact, bamboo cutting boards keep the smell of the onion, garlic, all that stuff you're cutting. So if you want to cut fruit on it, you might want to clean it with lemon to get the smell out. If you don't want to do all that extra, then use the other side. A freshly rinsed tomato. Kind of forgot how to cut this. For dicing cup. I don't like keeping this because it looks weird. I don't know. Now what you want to do, start rinsing your rice. This gets all the starch out of it. It's the stuff that makes the water cloudy. Not sure exactly why it's in there, but I do know it makes the rice sticky as well, and you don't want sticky rice.
Xzachlyee.
So I'm gonna melt the butter on medium heat. 2 tablespoons of unsalted, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter on medium heat. Melt already. Okay, cool. So, since that's mostly melted, first thing I'm gonna put in here is onions.
Xzachlyee.
And the tomato. And to heat up a little, 6, 7-ish. Okay, time to toast the rice.
Xzachlyee. Xzachlyee.
I'm gonna pour in the chicken bouillon and salt. Now what we're gonna do is cover this and we're gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes. Bring it down about 3. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Looks like there's still some liquid in here. You might have to let it sit a little longer. You can get a taster spoon. these little doohickeys are great. Got them from dollar store. Well, this is bomb. This is good. So if there's still liquid in there, you can just turn the heat off and let it sit, and then come back and keep mixing. So that was my Mexican rice recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below whatever you want. Share the video, that would be great. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.